You've overused them and wasted all I am.